Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the authentic, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'm trying Devour pizza with sausage and peppers. Now, I put some tomato sauce on here because when you look at it, you open the package, kind of interesting. It's in a hexagon. By the way, my light bulb died in the Snoopy lamp. That's why it's so dark. But the picture they show you on here, there is no red tomato sauce on this pizza. The tomato sauce they have, or at least I couldn't see any, is what I added. I took half a can of organic pizza sauce. So here's what the pizza looks like. A little overcooked. I had to go down and feed Mama Cat and Kitten. The thick crust. I don't think it has anything in it. It's not stuffed. Very tasty. By the way, the cheese is very gooey. There's a lot of cheese on this. And big chunks of sausage. And bell peppers. So there's a chunk of cheese. I'm crunchy there. I don't know what it is. It isn't bad. This was $3.99, by the way. Unfortunately, my oven, ever since I moved in here, tends to overcook everything. Well, your pizza will not be as crunchy as this one is. This is pretty good. So I didn't put any salt on it. I didn't have time. Mama Cat and Kitten were sleeping. Well, they got fed up cheese in my hand. They got fed. Fluffy came back upstairs. All my kitties are in. All right, this is pretty good pizza. I would recommend it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It's 8:17 p.m. Still kind of warm down there. It's got a little bit of chill in the air, but not bad. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.